Climbing the first rung of the property ladder is a financial hurdle for many, but thanks to the tiny house movement, you can now design and build your own home for much less. In fact, these inspiring pads were all crafted from recycled or salvaged materials, making them highly affordable and truly one of a kind. With some imagination and a lot of perseverance, this is what you could create from items found in the trash. Number 10. Converted 1974 Airstream, California, USA. Delia's 1974 Airstream, nestled on a California farm, is a testament to sustainable living and creative repurposing. This cozy, upcycled home, once in a sorry state, now offers a unique Airbnb experience. From dish towel curtains to a century-old closet, every detail reflects Delia's ingenuity and commitment to eco-friendly design. Number 9. DIY Tiny Home, Florida, USA. Downsizing doesn't mean sacrificing style. Rebecca and Robert's DIY tiny home, the Gypsy Mermaid, is a stunning example. Built for just $15,000 using recycled materials, this charming 221 square foot space boasts unique features like a wood-fired pizza oven and handmade chandeliers. The couple's design expertise shines through in every detail, proving that even in a small space, comfort and creativity can thrive. Number 8. Converted Boat Shack, Greater London, UK. This unique glamping hut, nestled in a UK forest, is a testament to sustainable living. Crafted from a 1945 boat and a reclaimed boat shack, this rustic retreat offers a cozy and stylish getaway. The interior, adorned with reclaimed oak beams and larch planking, complements the boat's original charm. The adjoining boat shack houses a kitchen and bathroom, both constructed using salvaged materials. This off-grid haven, powered by solar energy, provides a tranquil escape amidst nature's beauty. Number 7. Shipping Container Home, Texas, USA. This Marfa, Texas home, constructed from 2 repurposed shipping containers and salvaged materials, seamlessly blends modern design with rustic charm. With 933 square feet of living space, it boasts an open-plan layout, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 outdoor decks. The interior showcases a variety of reclaimed materials, from concrete walls to skyscraper windows. The handmade kitchen, featuring original shipping container labeling and wooden worktops, is a standout feature. Number 6. Reclaimed Treehouse, Atlanta, USA. This stunning treehouse retreat, nestled in the woods of Atlanta, Georgia, is a testament to sustainable living and creative design. Crafted entirely from reclaimed materials, the 3 rustic cabins, connected by rope bridges, offer a serene escape from the city. Each cabin, themed around mind, body, and spirit, provides a unique experience. The mind cabin serves as a cozy living room, while the body cabin houses a bedroom with a stargazing bed. The spirit cabin, a hammock deck surrounded by lush greenery, offers a connection with nature. With its 80-year-old windows and repurposed furniture, this treehouse is a charming and eco-friendly getaway. Number 5. Upcycled Shack, East Sussex, UK. Brown's Shack, a quirky and rustic cabin nestled in the Rother district of East Sussex, offers a unique glamping experience. This handmade wooden hut, crafted with reclaimed and upcycled materials, boasts mismatched timber walls, sliding barn doors, and tree branch dividers. Inside, you'll find a cozy double bedroom, a log-burning sitting area, a kitchen, and an en-suite bathroom with a composting toilet and shower. Outside, an outdoor kitchen, deck, barbecue, and fire bowl invite alfresco dining under the stars. Despite its rustic charm, the cabin's simple yet stylish aesthetic, including a stargazing roof window, creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Number 4. Canyon Hideout Bungalow, Colorado, USA. This vintage 1958 Airstream, nestled near the canyons of the Ancients National Monument, offers a retro escape. The renovated interior, complete with second-hand furnishings, corrugated metal accents, and vintage laundry facilities, transports guests back to the 1950s. With a cozy bedroom, outdoor patio, and stunning red rock views, this unique property provides a comfortable and stylish retreat. Number 3. Beloved Cabin, Georgia, USA. A Georgia couple transformed a garden shed into a charming 304 square feet beloved cabin, using recycled and upcycled materials. John and Finn Kernahan built their off-grid dream home themselves, adding solar power, biogas for cooking fuel, and rainwater harvesting. They even started a tiny house association and festivals to promote sustainable living. Number 2. Tiny Firehouse, Georgia, USA. The Tiny Firehouse Station Number 9 is a unique tiny home conversion project honoring firefighters. Designed by John and Finn Kernahan, this mobile retreat is crafted from salvaged materials sourced from an abandoned fire truck, including its original siding and hatches. The home's interior features repurposed elements like barn doors, a chemical lab sink, and fire truck memorabilia. The couple's commitment to sustainability is evident in their use of salvaged materials and greywater recycling system. Number 1. 1982 Bedford MJX Army Lorry, Various, UK. Tom Duckworth, a 23-year-old metalworker, transformed a 1982 Bedford MJ lorry into a stunning tiny home. Using reclaimed materials like wooden pallets, ammo boxes, and even an old Chesterfield sofa, he created a cozy and functional space. The home features clever design elements such as a pulley bed, a solar-powered system, and a recycled copper pipe shower. This inspiring project demonstrates the power of creativity and resourcefulness in sustainable living. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative video.